Hold her like this. Hold her well. No cover her. Take her, follow me.
Okay.
You can see now. I think this is the pillar that we've already opened. So we started the concrete again. I think this is the 40 or 26 way. So likewise the other one, you can see it now. Show the camera. You can see. We're expecting something better than this for the rest of them. They have lost this 2-in-1 now to another side. So that is why the wood were shared. The one for B and the one for pillar. So we cannot dismantle for single pillar for double pillar. One, or the wood might not be workable. Just like the one, like this one now, double as well. So they are going to finish up this one. You can see the beam. So this one is what we are going to transfer. The last one. In fact, the body is 85% done. So if the carpenter finishes from the other side, today, then the iron bedder will round up tomorrow or next. Iron bedder will round up tomorrow or next. Then all the other beams, the outside arc, we can come up and round it up. Because when we're done with the remaining part, which we could not complete for the other day due to the rain, then we will lose this one. Then we'll use the wood also for the arc. Like as you can see, this is the work of those cement that we use and they take. They are still workable. But as they started losing them, they came out well. As God could have it, maybe as we are missing when this one finishes now, we'll now know how many bags we need to complete it. So it's not wise again at this season for us to be buy cement and keep in my cake. Thank you, sir.